welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be unboxing my mystery bundle with FabFitFun. So this is the bundle in question. The bundle costs $29.99 and I did it as like an add-on onto my regular FabFitFun box. And I wanted to show you guys what's in here. These bundles can be really awesome and you can get really great products. I've received everything from like a dip nail set to pillows to journals to makeup, different brands, lipsticks. I mean, you get so many neat things in these bundles. So when they do offer the bundles, I do like to get them because you can get so many great products. And all you spent was $29, so you can't beat that. So we're going to get into this. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome for stopping by. I do unboxings weekly on this channel, and I do beauty and lifestyle unboxings. And I would love to have you a part of my family on the Devonna Nicole channel. Please feel free to like and subscribe. But for right now, let's get into this bag and find out what's in this mystery bag. So this is how it came, guys. This is what I pulled out the box. They actually had to send it to me separately from my FabFitFun box. So let's get started with pulling out what's in this box. Well, what's in this bag rather. So the first item that I'm pulling out is actually our journal, guys. Let me take it out the bag here. Oh, it's more than one. It's two. Oh, okay. So it's Wild Ideas is on the first one here, and it is a 5.875 by 825, 160 pages lined journal, and you get two of them. So I have one in pink and one in blue, which I think is awesome. I also like using these kind of books here like for work as well. So, you know, like when I'm taking notes for different things on my job, I can kind of utilize these books as well. So more than just a journal, but I do journal. I do encourage everyone to do it. You may learn a little bit about yourself and, you know, be able to break some of your bad habits once you kind of find out what you're doing. So this is item number one out of our mystery bag, is these two journals. So that's pretty cool. Let's go on to the next thing. Wow, what is this? Well, so we have Sensuals. I have a moisturizing body lotion, and we have a turmeric repair hand mask. So we have this as a set here. Let me open it here and get it out the packaging so you guys can check it out. And this is both items that we have here. And the Repair and Restore turmeric hand cream here is made with organic shea butter. And it's crafted with shea butter, coconut butter, and organic aloe to hydrate, nourish, and protect for soft, smooth, and hydrated hands. So that's pretty cool. And the other item here is the Orange Geranium Moisturizing Hand and Body Lotion. And this is made with organic olive oil for a healthy glow, organic argan oil for smooth and firm, and organic aloe juice to repair and renew. So I did receive an 8-point fluid ounce lotion here, moisturizing body and hand lotion, and the smaller one here is 3.38 fluid ounces for the hand cream, which is the grapefruit and turmeric hand cream, and both of these are made by the company Sensuals. So that's pretty cool. And the next item I'm going to pull out is a Juice Beauty product. So this is how it comes, and it is Juice Beauty Photo Pigment Liquid Lips. So this is a lipstick product, maybe. Let's see. Oh, look at this color. Oh, that's very bright, isn't it? I thought it would be like a red or something for fall, but I guess it looks like a lip gloss. Yeah, it looks like a lip gloss. Because it is so light, guys, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this, so I may have to pass this on to someone else that's a little bit lighter complexion than me, that this will look very pretty on. But for me, this would be kind of loud, so I'm not going to sample it. But this is the color here. And what is this color? It just says liquid lip. Oh, it says 06 Drew, so maybe the color is Drew. I don't it's called Drew, I don't know. But a liquid lip from Juice Beauty. If it was the right color, this would be so awesome. But it's not. So our last item out of our mystery bag. You can't believe this. I did not think this is what this was. So I seen this box. It is a sake set. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. So let's take a look at this. I did not know what this was. A sake set. And why you won't give people like me who already like bougie stuff a sake set? And you know I got sake downstairs on the bar, right? So now I can be uber extra when people come over and I can serve them sake. Oh my God, look at this. And it comes with like 4 of these little sake cups that you can serve in. Oh my gosh, how neat is this? Okay, so for $29, I really would like to say, I think I got my money worth. I would think at least for this sake set, this probably had to be $20 or $15 or $20 on its own. I know Juice Beauty products are not cheap either. And then for the hand lotions, you can easily pay probably $10 to $15 for one of them a piece. Your journal, you got a whole set that probably was at least $10 or $15. I would say for $29, I did pretty good with this mystery bundle. So guys, what do you think about what I got in this bundle? Did anything surprise you or interest you or pique your interest on anything? But I thought for $29 for a mystery bundle, this was not bad at all. So now I have a sake set, and I do have sake because I'm one of them people that go in the liquor store and just pick up random items. Like, oh, I never had that before, let me try that. So now I have a sake set to go with some sake that I have downstairs, and I can do the whole, you know, theatrics when people come over and visit me and entertain. But let me know what you guys thought about this mystery bundle. I thought this was pretty cool for a mystery bundle for $29. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you liked, didn't like. And if you guys have ever ordered this before, if you haven't, I think you should give it a try and order these mystery bundles. You get some really cool stuff, really great products that come. I wish the Juice Beauty actually was my color, but other than that, I would say that's the dud out of the whole thing. But everything else I'm pretty satisfied with for $29. So hit me up, guys, in the comments. Let me know what you think about this mystery bundle, and I will see you guys next time. So see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.